You got that Cheerio there? Mmm. Ha. Do you want another Cheerio? Yeah, you don't know if you like Cheerios yet, do you? Did you eat it all? Did you eat it all? You want some more to play with? There you go. There you go. You're always more interested in the box than the Cheerios. Come here. You can get it. I know, you're mesmerized by the camera. Mesmerized! Oh, did you get one? You got one! Yay! That is the first time you put it in your mouth. Good girl! Such a good girl! Yay! Usually you just play with them, but you put it in your mouth. Yay! Good girl! We'll have to show Daddy. You're such a smart girl. You are. Grandma's going to say you're a genius. She is. Here. Oh. You're such a good girl. You are. Good job. Good job. Good job. You do it again? Are you going to do it again? Yeah. Here. Oh, there we go. Okay. That was a good shot. Oh, is it stuck? It is. It's totally stuck to your finger. Good job! You can pick them up that way, too. Oh, good girl! Good girl! You flicked it off, and that's okay. A for effort. Yeah, such a good girl. Magic. Magic, where'd it go? Oh, is it stuck to you? Is it stuck? Is it that magic trick again? Sleight of hand at such a young age. Good job. Oh. I know. Oh. I'm sorry. Did I ruin your secret? Hi.
What?
Are we done with Cheerios? You did a good job. You did.